Knowledge is truly power. We pay for a college education, for school training, for trade education, because that education gives us the opportunity to make finances, to be stable, to start businesses, to help our family. So we pay for the knowledge because we know that the knowledge is going to give us power. Now, when it comes to starting a business, there's certain knowledge you're going to need. Sometimes we get caught up in paying for the wrong things. And then you get bitter. You're like, man, I ain't paying for nothing else, but then you still losing because you didn't pay for the right thing. So now you have to go back and find the right information. Say, okay, this is what I needed. But you have to get the information. You can't start a business, you can't start a career without having the right information, because then you will be jumping into the career thinking that, oh man, I'm doing the right things, but you got the wrong information. It's like you jumping into the welding field, you ready to go, but you got all the plumbing tools. And I'm looking at you like, what are you trying to be? Oh man, I'm ready to be a welder. Well, why do you got all this plumbing stuff? Because that's the information I got. Well, you got the wrong information and you went bought and got the wrong things. It's okay, but I had to break it down in that type of scenario so that way you can get it. Sometimes the wrong information can cause your business to fail. But you have to have a budget for the right information. Like, you have to pay for the right information to make money. It takes money to make money. Knowledge is power. Knowledge makes money. So don't get discouraged that you probably messed up. We all do it. But you have to find out the sources you need to be able to make the income you're looking for, because you don't want to show up with the wrong type of tools claiming that you're this type of business or this type of person, and the person that's actually doing this has been doing this for a living can literally look at you and be like, you don't know what the fuck you're talking about. You know what I'm saying? You don't know what you're doing. So you don't want to look like that. You see what I'm saying? But we do that. That's part of the game, because when you don't know, you don't know. But the game is, once you know better, you do better. Hold on.